Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Nongïalehkai chess ki balawan nakaleng kiri ka perthai bat kumju ki bana pori India. Manisha menta ka first Meghalaya International Open Grandmasters chess tournament arhajar arpulai kilapan pa ka Ïaroh halor ka Jingitynnad kanong ba Shillong. Kamtam ya ka jaga ban penong ya ka Nongïalehkai chess SAI Indoor Training Hall kabadan hanihu. Haba persyang manikaran bagi katu kat ni Grandmaster ki balawan na bari. Kumna Uzbekistan, Russia, but ya away ni Nongïalehkai uban West Bengal, kilapan pau ka Ïaroh ka Jingitynnad but Jingitynnad kani ka jaka. Kilapan pau bagi lalit Nongïalehkai keleng ki jaka jokari India handai kani ka jaka, hapo ka jilla kalong ka ba compare, but ka ba Itynnad na do ka jinglong ka swing meneng ka mariang ka ba kuit but kiwe. Kilapan pau ka Ïaroh ru halor ka jingsyam kia kinong panyan joka Meghalaya Chess Association, nak bentaman penbet penbiang ya baro ki jingdon kam bat ban penlong ya kani kalempong ka biat bet syakman na do ka basdang kilapan pawru ya ka jingkmi lenti baling ba kani kalempong kan nong ka jingirap ban kenti ki Nongïalehkai jong kani ka jilla ki badan ha ki sap ka Nongïalehkai chess makin nang ki shaprang ha ki snam ki banwan ya kani kalempong ka basdang na do ka khalai trik no pra en pen kot no ka arpo trik no pra arhajar arpulai.
Hello, I'm Nilotpal Das from Kolkata. I have come here to take part in this international tournament in Meghalaya. For the first time, such a big chess event is happening in Meghalaya. Last year, one Grandmaster tournament took place in Guwahati, and this time it is in Shillong. So I'm really happy to be here. The organizers are trying their best to promote the game in Meghalaya, especially Mr. Swapnil Tembe, who is the tournament director. He has taken the initiative to promote the game in the Northeast region, and our All India Chess Federation is also trying their best to promote the game in this area. From various parts of the country, players have come here to take part in this event, as well as players from other countries, grandmasters, international masters are taking part here. So I hope the local players, the players from Meghalaya, will be benefited by playing with the players of various parts of the country and the world. This is their opportunity to improve their game and gain valuable experience from this event. So far, it's been quite decent. I have scored 4.5 points after 5 games and another 5 rounds to go. So tournament is pretty open. I think next all 5 games is going to be very crucial for everybody to determine the top placings.
Region maybe also this because I didn't play in this region. I played too many tournaments in India, but here first time. But I think it's a very good place, very beautiful. Weather is okay, and tournament also very good. Thank you for inviting, and thank you for organizing committee Indian Chess Federation for good tournament. All players and Indian players, all Indian players is very strong and younger. We have very young players, very strong players, and I think in future you will very strong chess country. Now I'm playing, but we will see after 10 rounds. Yes, I don't know. Meghalaya, very good, very good, and I think this is very interesting region. Yes, not like other place in India. I think food also, maybe weather also different. Yes, like because I played too many tournaments, but weather was hot, too many places. But here is good and clean also. Yes, very clean.
Kumbakalong kani dari tournament ka Bandungkong baka state jungi kaliang ka Meghalaya Chess Association ngila penlong ya kani ka International Open Grandmaster Chess Tournament di kumbakalong menta ki player ki wana ki sipautli kiri kumai igni kalamah ni di nakaliang jong ki player Meghalaya di kidon ki balayo alai pon kidon ki bayo arpon steng mat menta kadang dep dang sanraun di kinang sa sanraun hakai kategori mat kumjuru hakabi kategori kabadang sedang menta kasi di kadang dep dang siraun bar kadang sa praraun di nakaliang jeng ki player Meghalaya ru ki don ki player ki ba klan ki ba la man penyahat bat kini ki international master ki ba ladai ki master level di bat ki wei ru ki high rated player tengi kermen ba kini kisi badangwan kat hadu mandakut ke tournament ba nakaliang jong ki player Meghalaya ru kinyo ya good result don ar kategori kai kategori kidon nyut ki player ngila select ngila jet tang player ba klan ba kambiang rating ba kumju kabi kategori kidon kumba nru pautam nru poan nru play ngut ki player di kaliang jong ka Nongïalehkai kalau ngadon kajong ka level kajongki hakabi ka hamduna khliar ka baka epat ngahabani tengku bat ki grandmaster ki international master hadin jong ni ka event kajongi kitang don skiwei pat ki event ki banlong apo Bangalore skiwei pat international event anda ke ban salong akau hati bat ki don skiwei ki ru alu senem banwan ban sedang nadu banai Januari ki ba lada ki lawan sakmat nang ni kila ban ya simenta Nongïalehkai segi international level ki balong seki wei pat kiri gila ya ban gila.